This is also from that same research. I've got some elements here of the research from Yale. What they did a human AI collaboration spectrum, H1 to H5. H1, the AI drives, H5, the human drives. And then you're going from augmentation to automation. Just briefly, also when we were in Germany, there was one of our customers. They made, and they had all the figures there, they made an investment of, it was more than 600,000 euros. It could have been close to $1 million. Within 9 months, they had ROI. They paid off that investment. They recovered that investment. What was interesting is they had a matrix of where they implemented AI for work in the organization. There were places it didn't work and they scrapped it. There were places it did work and they doubled down on those places. They looked at AI agents, autonomous AI agents, as I described in the beginning, and they said, no, it's not for us. It's too costly, it's too slow, too much latency. So again, I think there's really hard work. And I think one of the biggest mistakes that execs do is they think it's a one-click. There's really hard work involved in deciding how the AI should be implemented.